In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that confuses a lot of Trello users: how to order labels in Trello. If you've ever tried to rearrange your labels by priority, by color, or alphabetically and couldn't figure out how to do it, you're not missing anything. Trello actually has specific rules for how labels are organized, and there are some important limitations you need to know about. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how label ordering works in Trello and what you can and cannot control. And if this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how labels work in Trello. Labels in Trello are color-coded. When you create a label, you assign it a single color. The available colors include green, yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, sky, lime, pink, black, and gray. You manually choose the color at the time you create the label, and you can edit that color later if you want to. However, here's the key thing to understand. The color of a label does not control its position in the label list. Changing a label from green to red or from blue to yellow will not move it up or down in the order. The color is purely visual. It helps you categorize and quickly identify labels, but it has nothing to do with sorting. So how are labels actually ordered in Trello? Labels are displayed in the exact order they were originally created on the board. That's it. There's no automatic alphabetical sorting, no priority-based sorting, and no color grouping. The first label you ever created on that board will appear at the top of the list, and every new label you create will be added to the bottom. This order is consistent everywhere on your board. You'll see the same order when you open the label menu on a card, when you view labels in the board menu, and even when you use filters. Trello keeps that creation order locked in place across the entire board. Now, you might be wondering, can I drag and drop labels to rearrange them? Unfortunately, no. Trello does not offer a drag and drop option for labels. There's also no setting that allows you to sort labels alphabetically, by color, or by priority. Even if you rename a label to start with A or add numbers like 1, 2, 3, it still won't change its position in the list. The order remains solely on when the label was created. So what can you do if the order really matters to you? For example, maybe you want your high priority red label to appear at the top, followed by medium and low priority labels in a specific sequence. The only workaround available in Trello is to delete and recreate the labels in the exact order you want them to appear. Here's how that works. First, take note of your existing labels, including their names and colors. Then, delete the labels you want to reorder. After that, recreate them one by one in the correct sequence, assigning the appropriate color as you go. Since Trello places new labels at the bottom of the list, the order in which you recreate them will become the new permanent order. Keep in mind that deleting a label will remove it from all cards, so you may need to reapply the newly created labels to your cards afterward. Because of that, this workaround is usually best done early in a project, before too many cards depend on those labels. So, to summarize, in Trello, you can freely choose and change label colors, but color does not affect order. Labels are displayed strictly in the order they were created on the board. There is no built-in way to drag, sort, or automatically rearrange labels. If you need a specific order, the only solution is to delete and recreate the labels in the order you want. I hope this clears up how label ordering works in Trello and saves you time trying to find a setting that doesn't exist. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and clear Trello tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.